We cannot wait for a tragedy to happen for the landlord to be accountable.
Tenants like Melanie Jackson have been living in Fordham Towers for over 9 years. However, with the addition of new management and landlords, the building has become unsafe, leaving many residents living in hazardous conditions.
So this is where we're at. So what happens is it rains, it pools down here, then it goes across, and then it falls out into the bucket. So there is mold circulating in here. How do you plan on finding out where the leak is? That's what I need to know. Yeah. And then we go from there.
With the support of the Northwest Bronx Community and Clergy Coalition and the Legal Aid Society, tenants of the Fordham Towers are looking for immediate repairs to the building.
They've had to live under a building that today has over 500 violations. This is unacceptable, and this that we have in this building, this is a perfect and classic example of landlord harassment.
In addition to the numerous maintenance concerns, including rat infestation, mold, and ceiling collapses, residents say they're also experiencing inadequate elevator service for over a year, posing a significant safety risk to elderly residents.
Then there are times when the elevator will jump or it will not open, and you have to push the button or you ride back upstairs all the way to 16 to come all the way back down again. Since we have many seniors and disabled tenants in the building, and if we have somebody who's in a life or death situation, this elevator it's horrible.
Fed up with the lack of communication, renters, with the help of the Legal Aid Society, filed a lawsuit against the building owners.
We are not the first. The city files a brand new court case against this owner every single year across the entire portfolio. At this time, there are at least half a dozen cases pending against this owner, brought by the city, brought by legal aid, and brought by the tenants. At this time, we are calling, with the support of the city, we are calling on the judge, on the housing court, to coerce this landlord into making the repairs necessary to provide a safe and habitable environment for our clients.
Reporting for BronxNet, Kim and Aline.